Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js 14. Today we are going to learn about the how to add the page transitions in the Next.js 14. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to create the project. So we'll layer we'll make it transitions. No, no, yes, app router, no. Okay, let's go and check the code. So let's open cd transitions code. So here we in the source pages. Okay, so we have already copied this one. So Next.js transition, oh sorry, testing, I think I have get it in this one. Let's in the source, let's paste this, merge and replace. Okay, let's go and check npm run dev. I think we have to install the framer motion npm package. So where we go with the app.js, we have a components. So here we have a framer motion, so let me install this npm I done. Npm run dev. Let's see the sleek transition that we have completed. So here we go with this one. So go to about page. Here you can see the transition, right? So let's see how we have done this. Let's go dive into the code level. So here we have the layout. So here we are modifying here animate presence. Okay, exist before enter is not there, but let's go with this one. We have to make the mode to be wait. Okay, then motion dot div. So here we have mentioned the key, initials, animate, exit, and the transition. All of the parameters we have to make it in the layout.js file. If you haven't created the layout.js file, so please create it and add the code over here. Okay, and we have to import the framer motion, right? So please install the npm package, this one. Okay, this is the layout. Then we have created the pages like about. Okay, so this is basically the about page. Next we are going with the about pages there and the home page. Okay, so this is our app.js main. Then we have an index where we have go to the about page, and this is our home page. Okay, we are adding the links, right? And all the code is in the layout, so it will call over here, right? So whenever I switch from this to that, so layout is calling and it will give me the animations with the help of these parameters. Okay, very easy and very simple, and we're not just very difficult. Okay, so this is how you can add the animations, you can say, into your Next.js project. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.